Hey everyone, welcome back to QA Automation with Gaurav. Today we begin a brand new series, Generative AI Testing Tools. So as we know, AI is not just changing the development, but nowadays it's completely transferring how we test the software as well. So this series has three videos. In the first part, this one, we will explore what exactly is Generative AI, why it's so revolutionary for QA engineers, and how it fits into the modern automation landscape. By end of this video, you will clearly understand why Gen AI is the next big leap in test automation. So let's jump right in. So software testing has evolved dramatically over the years from manual testing to automation testing and now to intelligence testing, that is AI testing. We started with manual validations initially, then moved to automation frameworks like Selenium and TestNG and Cucumber as well. And today we are entering the age of AI assisted quality assurance. So, why AI? So, the goal is simple. Faster releases, smarter coverages, and predictive quality insights. So, let's see what is generative AI testing. So, generative AI testing is basically a testing which uses large language model LLMs like GPT or specialized ML models. So this will help us to read the requirements and user stories, generate test cases and automation scripts, analyze results and predict the failures. So you can see in every aspect of testing. So AI can easily help us to quickly uh, generate the requirements or generate the test cases. It will save the time. That is what it means. And in short, like it brings intelligence into the automation, if I can say. So it will remove repetitive manual work, giving testers more time for creative validations. Here is what makes Gen AI a total game changer. So coming to speed, when we are creating the test cases, it can create test cases in seconds. We don't need to spend more time in creating the test cases or the scripts. Accuracy, so um, even for some tester, there are chances like he might make some error while creating the test scripts or the locators or creating test cases properly. So this AI will help us to eliminate human error as well. Adaptability. So uh, these automation test cases using Selenium, Cucumber, and everything, they cannot uh, like fix their tests or the errors scripts by themselves. So this AI will provide us the facility of adaptability where self-healing tests will be created, which will just adjust automatically and get fixed automatically compared to the automation testing. As per the UI changes, those tests will be self-healed. Intelligence. So yeah, there are some tools which we can use that will predict the defect prone modules. Imagine you describe a test in plain English and your tool writes and runs it instantly. So that is real AI testing power. Let's see like what is the impact on the world for testing like after the implementation of AI. So leading QA teams now use AI not just to automate but to strategize quality as well. So AI tools detect regression risk, prioritize test cases, and even generate data automatically. So, what's the result? I mean, what's the impact of using AI in testing? So, it will provide us faster cycles, fewer bugs, or we can say like early detection of bugs and like more confidence before the release. So, this is how it will help us. And that's your introduction to generative AI testing. In part 2, we will explore the top Gen AI testing tools from test team to functionalize to test trigger, and we will see how they actually work. If you are excited about this AI driven future, drop a like button and comment ready for part 2. See you in the next video.